Bachacha! Yes! Bachacha Box! Hey kids! I am uppercase or capital Q. I am lowercase or small q. Do you want to hear a story on letter Q? Alright, let's begin. The Queen conducted a quiz test every quarter. She was quick to ask questions to the ones standing last in the queue. A particular quiet boy impressed her with his quest for knowledge. Let's repeat. The Queen conducted a quiz test every quarter. She was quick to ask questions to the ones standing last in the queue. A particular quiet boy impressed her with his quest for knowledge. Do you remember words starting with letter Q? Queen, quiz, questions, Q. Good job! Stay tuned to Bachacha Box. Happy hours for kids.